Let's do a quick section on function prototypes. So function prototypes eliminates the need to place a function directly before all calls to the function. If you watched the previous video that's in the playlist link below the like button, this was our previous content we went over, and I wanted to display a message inside of our main. We're doing that again here, but last time I had to put this up here, and you still have to unless you use a function prototype. So function prototype, also known as function declarations, must be placed ahead of all calls to the function. So if you don't have this function prototype right here, it's not going to let you print, it's going to give you an error. To remedy this, you can either put this up here, or you can just have the function prototype up here. Now, why would you want to have a function prototype and also have the function down here? Well, imagine if your function right here, this void display message, was actually 200 lines long. Do you really want 200 lines above your main method? Some people might not. So that's why you would use a function prototype. So you have it listed here. That way the main method knows it exists, it can still call it, and then you can have it somewhere below in your program. So that's it for function prototypes. Pretty useful, also known as function declarations. If you have any questions about this material, leave them in the comments below. And if you want more C++, you know where to look, that playlist.